Samaya, you're not even paying attention anymore. You looking and talking to other people. Cecil, where did she get the number two from? How did she know that I had to shade in two? What number tells us that we need to shade in two? What is that number called? Not the numerator, the numerator. The numerator tells us how many boxes to shade in. So I've shaded in 5/3 here. I've shaded in 5/3 here. Everybody in my group, can you message me? What's my total amount that I shaded in all together? What's the total amount that I've shaded in? I have 5/3 plus another 5/3. So how much did I shade in? Ashley, what I tell you about bringing that cat to my class? Until you have your work done, I don't want to see a cat. So I need you to message me in the chat. What is my total amount that I have shaded? Only Cecil has responded to me in the chat, and you just threw the cat. That's animal cruelty. Alante, I have no message from you. Josiah, I have nothing from you in the chat. Sinai, I'm waiting for you to tell me how much do I have all together. Dakota, how much do I have? We're on number one, Josiah, so I need you to be on number one. Harlem, how much do I have shaded all together? I have 5/3 plus another 5/3. So how much do I have? Thank you, Dakota. How many? 15. If I have 5/3 plus 5/3, that gives me 15/3. Harlem, the reason that you don't know the answer is because, again, you are not paying attention. You're not paying attention. Every time I'm not talking to you, you're doing something else. You have to pay attention. You gotta pay attention. Dakota, what's my answer going to be? Yes, it's going to be 10. 10/3. This pen, okay, 10/3. All right, we can't leave it like this. Cecil, I know you know how to do this the best. So can you tell me, what am I going to do with this fraction? Joelle, I'm gladly going to give Mom a call as soon as I finish because you're not in front of the screen. Yep. Cecil, what do I do to this fraction? Yep, draw a number bond. Okay, so what can I take out, or what do I take out? I'm going to take out 9 wholes. I don't know if your internet is messing up or what's going on, but I'm going to start by taking out 1 whole. I'm going to take out 1 3/3. Cecil, can I take out another whole? Okay, so I'm going to take out another 3/3. Can I take out another whole? Cecil? Can I take out another whole? Yes or no, sweetheart? Okay, so I'm going to take out another 3/3. All right, can I take out another whole? So far I've taken out 9/3. So you're telling me that I can take out another 3 out of 3? Okay, so if I can't take out another whole, what do I have left with? Or what am I left with? 1/3. And then what's my mixed number going to be? How many wholes do I have? And then what is my leftover fraction? I don't have 2 wholes. I have 1 whole, 2 wholes, 3 wholes. I have 3 wholes, and then I'm left over with 1/3. I'm left over with 1/3. So that is my answer for number 1. So that's what I'm going to put into Edulastic. I don't know what's going on, guys, but I got Ashley doing TikTok. I got Sinai doing I don't know. Alante, who's not participating, so I will be texting. I need you to be participating, Alante. I have Josiah, who said he's on number 3. Okay, Josiah, you got number 2 right, so you're good. So you can be on number 3. So you can stay on number 3. That's fine. Ashley, I need you to fix number 1 because we just did number 1 together. So there's no reason that you have number 1 incorrect. You fixed it, Ashley? Okay, good. Let's look at number 2. Ashley, read number 2, and her name is Miss Yanowitz, but you can call her Miss Y. Go ahead and read number 2.
Say their favorite color is purple. How many students
It should say their favorite color is purple.
How many students say their favorite color is purple?
Okay, so Ashley, can you tell me what is the 2 pieces of information that I need to circle in this problem?
30 and 2/5.
Okay, 30 and 2/5. 30 students and 2/5 of the students. So what I want you all to think, is this a repeated addition? Is Miss Yanowitz doing something over and over and over again? Or does Miss Yanowitz want to know a fraction of something? So Miss Yanowitz had 30 kids. 2/5 of it say that their favorite color is purple. Alante, what type of problem is it?
This is she wants to know the fraction.
She wants to know the fraction of. Good. So how many models am I going to have for a fraction of problem, Alante?
You are going to have...
We just did one, so if you were paying attention, you should be able to answer that really quickly. How many models am I going to need to have for a fraction of problem? How many models did we have in our last problem? How many rectangles did we have? How many?
3.
We had 3 different models? No, I only had 1 model right here. This was my 1 model. So again, repeated addition is the only one that we make a whole bunch of different things because we're repeating something. Fraction of, we have 1 model that we're splitting up because we want a fraction of that. Are you writing this down, Alante? And the honesty is the best policy. So are you writing this down as I'm going over these problems? No, you're not. So that's part of the reason why when I'm asking a question, you cannot give me an answer because you're not writing anything down. Joelle, can you help me? How do I do this problem? What am I going to draw?
I'm going to draw a rectangle.
Good, I'm going to draw a rectangle. Okay, keep going. Tell me.
And to represent the rectangle, you're going to put 12 cookies because it's...
12 cookies? We're not on number 3. We're on number 2.
Oh, you put the rectangle on top of... You put the 30 on top of the rectangle.
Good. I'm going to put the 30 on top of the rectangle. And what does this 30 represent, Joelle?
30 students.
Good. Now what am I going to do?
You're going to cut into 2/5.
Yes, I'm going to cut it into 5ths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I've cut it into 5 pieces. So I can represent that mathematically by saying 30 cut into 5 pieces. Okay, Joelle? What is 30 cut 5 ways? What is that going to give us? Joelle, you was just killing it. Don't mess it up now. If I can... Come on. 30 cut 5 ways.
6.
It gives us 6. So it means I'm going to put 6 in each one of these boxes. And then how many am I going to shade in, Joelle?
2.
2. And what number tells us how many to shade in? What number tells us how much to shade in? What is this number called? Yes, say it. Say it. The numerator. Say it.
The numerator.
No, not numerator. 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 Come on.
Stop being goofy and say move.
Say it, Joel. Numerator. All right, so we've shaded in 2 pieces. So how much in total do I have? How much in total? I have 6 here, and then I have another 6 right there. Josiah, since you've already done this problem, how much do I have in total? And I know you can unmute yourself, but so you can come off of mute and give me that answer, Josiah. Go ahead, Josiah. Hello? No, I'm not going to hold on. I'm not going to hold on. Nope, I'm not. Dakota, how much do I have in total? Or Sinai, how much do I have in total? How much do I have in total? 12. Very good, friend. Okay. We did 2. You guys have 2 more to do. Josiah, if you're done with number 4, you can go ahead and submit yours because 1, 2, and 3 look good. So you can go ahead and submit. Everybody else needs to fix it. Harlem, we just did number 2 together, so you should not have number 2 wrong. But again, we might have number 2 wrong because you're not following along with me. I know. Ashley, you need to get number 2 in, and then you need to move on.